Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
Fire station.
Alarm? Siren? The firefighter is ready to fight the fire. Smoke. Emergency. First of all, we need to save all living beings. Cat. Rescue! I saved the cat. Now it's safe. Let's go into the house. That was dangerous, but we defeated the fire. Let me show you what we use during firefighting. Fire hose. Fire axe. Fire extinguisher. Ladder. And of course, every firefighter has bunker gear, a helmet, and a fire track. Let's go over the fire safety rules together. Don't play with fire. Don't play near fire. Don't touch electrical appliances without an adult. If you smell smoke, call an adult for help. If a fire starts, don't hide. Call for help and go outside. Remember the emergency number, 911 or 112. Always be careful. Safety comes first. See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.